Poem is from Arnie. When I first stepped into your school of thought, which was more like a universe, city of angels, the sight of you opticaled my retina. For we were in Oakland with metropolitan tribunes, and I was tardy by 24 years. It was like my eyes were watching God, as if my body were laid out on obsidian schoolyard under the star sign language of the ancient twilight, but rather it was daylight, and I was perpendicular to the tarmac with my right hand raised to the heavens, waiting for you to call on me, looking on you at right angles in a homeroom of sorts supported by space-time continuums and 9.8 meters per second, and we were separated by a diameter and rhyme scheme nurseries circumambulated by chalky words levitating around the focal point where the image of you conceived the image of me, and vice versa, which was at the center of my radius. R equals 2gm over c squared, which is the radius of black holes or pupils, and my semester or trimester or sequester was immaculate conception, birthing a three-dimensional reception of you, a view that was more than an eyeful. Well, my bird's eyes were full with bags below them carrying looks and books and apples as I played Simon Says with your sophisms and scribbled phrases on the blackboard times 100 for D, tension, overhead projecting pledges of allegiances from my writer's block, building substitute teachings and expelling the dean of academic affairs as we get into one-eye class, clowning anyone who hauled past in front of me as I bookwormed my way into your syllabus, elementary schooling you in the ways of cursive love, tutoring your L's and O's, V's and E's as our eyes dot each other's exclamation and I get my Hemingway. And when the chalk dust settled, I sat down with your pupil. I, the student, my word playground was sprouting with green, no first day blues, my heart painted red like a period. At the end of a love poem, my thoughts suspended in the recess of my mind like commas, then left to fall like a child descending from the zenith of a shiny silver slide. I'd play on words, drop the apple of my eye off on your mahogany desktop. It was organic like my love, the core, a nebulous birthplace of stars. For we studied the sky in my bluest eye, astronomy in yours, universal laws of gravitation and Big Bang theories, chemistry was second nature, physics I equal MC squared, in biology you dissected my communication, speech class was my love poems, talking to you with old school conversations on my feet, walking through concrete experiments like urban studies, I majored in you like Ursa, undressed our cultures like anthropology, history was behind you, poetry class was our interactions, I wrote my English on your flesh in scarlet letters. We covered all subjects in saliva. You read my mind. The eyes told everything, for we were pupils. Everything else was mathematics. Our relationship was reciprocal. 1 over x times x over 1. You taught me how to love, and I taught you how to be loved. Thank you.